check that your reverb's off.
So I've decided to call the album NguMama. You know, the person I am, I'm the person that I am today because of her teachings, imfundiso zakhe. You know, she taught me how to love, what it is to love. You know, I'm loving my family, I'm loving myself, I'm loving my supporters out there for all the support that they've been giving me. Thank you so much. Yeah, and in terms of love life, hey man, I like to keep that to myself. I talk about that all the time in my music anyway. So figure it out.
Okay. I love you.
You know, my album is coming out on Friday. That's the 29th of January. I'm excited about that. I'm shooting videos for each and every song. Trust me. And towards the end of the year, I'm planning to release my first live show, my first DVD. That's going to be huge. I can't wait to tell you guys more about that. Man, so once again, I've worked with my band since the beginning. They've been nothing but amazing. They've actually made it hard for me to work with anyone else. You know, the backup singers all the way to the actual band, the drummers. I can't work with anyone else, trust me. Yeah, shout out to them, man. You know, in terms of who engineered the album, Robin Walsh did. I've worked with Rob ever since the beginning. It's hard for me to work with anyone else but for him. It is difficult times right now, you know, because of COVID. You know, it's probably still going to be tough for a while, but we're going to hold on. You know, we're going to do what we can. I've been keeping myself busy, you know, throughout this period. I've been actually recording music. It's been tough, you know, but I think with every negative thing that happens, something great comes out of that. We learn something, you know, and I really believe in things happening for a reason. So all of this has happened for a reason as well, you know. It took me time to do this album. So normally I take out albums every year, but I don't know, I found that by doing that sometimes, you know, you're not giving people time to actually listen to music and enjoy that particular album, you know. And I'm grateful for that, because chances are I wouldn't have had the project or the product that I have right now. I featured Yibanati. I featured Utumi on Yibanati. Beautiful song that people love out there. Then the second one that people have been waiting for is the one I did no Putrengo. My idol, my inspiration. It was beautiful working with him. And obviously the last one, my best friend, Somizi Mhlongo. Yeah. Man, to my supporters out there, you know, yo, ndiyabulela guys. Thank you so much. Yo, thank you. You know, I keep on saying I'm who I am today because of people like you. So thank you so much. I hope you guys love this album and support this album as much as you supported all my previous work. And I can't wait for you guys to hear the music and hear what you guys think of it. Yeah, like I'm the person that I am today because of my mom. So this one is a dedication to her.